welcome back. Well, today I am joined by Krishna and Archana, who are here from the India Club. Well, ladies, how are you doing? Nice to see you.
We're
Just
doing
fine.
well.
Just fine.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. I know, I remember when we were on,
Yeah, 5 months
really
back.
early on, and we talked about
really.
namaste. So
We were in the
Yeah.
studio a few times, yeah.
yeah, so I like that. So I know the Zoom thing has been kind of crazy these days, but I'm glad you're able to join us and we got through all of our adjustments. So let's talk a little bit about a program that you guys are doing for the month of September. And I really love the fact that you put a video together and you're going to be able to share it with all of our residents. So Krishna, how did you get involved in the Peace Day program?
Well, here in Laguna Woods, we have a group. It's called the Concerned Citizens.
Yes.
And I'm sure you know Latifa Taormina, right? And she's the lady who started the Peace Day program in the village for everyone. And then she's from Austin, just like I came from Austin. And then I know in Austin in 2014, she was instrumental in starting the Peace Day program there. And every year now they've been doing that. And she also set up a group in Austin, like Poems for Peace and things like that. Very talented and a very nice lady. And here in Laguna Woods, she knows Sunita Saxena, who is a member of India Club. And then she said to Sunita, you know what? No Peace Day can be complete without a presentation on Mahatma Gandhi. So then Sunita approached me and she said, hey, can we do something? Can we take part in this? And I said, yes, we'll definitely take part in this. So that's how it started.
What exactly is a Peace Day program?
Well, the United Nations, it came up with this day as when the whole world is going to celebrate as one and not take part in any kind of, like atrocities and all that are happening around the world, and try to be peaceful. And then if we follow it at least for one day, it might give us the impetus to do better on the remaining days. So
I like that because you're bringing probably more positivity rather than negativity by doing a celebration rather than a protest.
Exactly. And this is the time we need it. It's funny how the whole thing just coincided like that.
Yeah. Well, that's awesome. Well, I love that information. Now, the club has been doing other things, I'm sure, during COVID-19. So Archana, share with us some of the other things you guys are doing.
Oh, yes. Yeah, we have been doing other things as well. Like I want to tell you about a recent program we did. India got independence from the British rule on August 15, 1947. And this year we celebrated 73rd Independence Day. Normally we get together and do some nice program. In current situation, we couldn't do that. But we still arranged a good program on Zoom. It was a 40-minute program. And of course, we began with the Pledge of Allegiance to the United States of America, and then followed with our program. And we had a wonderful array of items. We had speeches, we had patriotic songs, somebody recited their own poetry, and there were beautiful, pertinent videos. So it was a very upbeat, inspirational program. And one thing we did not forget is, before India got independence, it was because of the sacrifice and tremendous contributions of the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives and even families for the struggle to win the independence from British rule. So we remembered those. Our speeches paid a tribute to some of those fighters. For example, I presented a brief speech on Aruna Asaf Ali, who was a freedom fighter. And she made unique contribution to the movement. This is a time to remember that. So we had inspiration. We had a beautiful area of song and dance and patriotic songs. Overall, it came out to be a very nice program. And we did that on Friday on 14th, a day before Independence Day.
Okay. Oh, well, good. Well, I'm glad you're still able to participate and do lots of different things. Krishna, let's go back to you because if you think about putting together a program like what you talked about, being quarantined is exactly the easiest way to do it.
No, quarantine was a problem, but you know what, Lisa, with all this corona, if it's not for the coronavirus, it's going to be this long-lasting loneliness that's going to get to us. So we were really looking forward to something nice that we could do. And then when this Peace Day celebrations came on, it came as a blessing in disguise. You know, before this, we were like really thinking how to get India Club members to stay socially connected and avoid isolation issues and things like that. And I said, no, Sunita, let's definitely do this program. And then I will be responsible for motivating and inspiring all the people. And, you know, almost every year, I have been going to India to do some social work to help the disadvantaged children. And of course, this year, no one's going anywhere. So I decided, why not take this project as another social service kind of thing, just with a different flavor, you know. And then apart from coronavirus, we've also had all these turbulence and turmoil related to the race issues. And definitely we were trying so hard, desperately, to get that peace back again. And so that's the reason. And frankly, the quarantine was never in the forefront, because I knew in our hearts, we knew that we just want to do this and took it as a challenge.
Well, that's great. I mean, certainly a good thought process to help bring you to your final day. Archana, now, in addition to all of the things that you already mentioned, where you're doing presentations and speeches and remembrances of different days, what are some things that you guys are actively doing going forward to keep everybody connected?
Oh, going forward, we are going to celebrate some events for the rest of the year. We are not going to sit quiet just because, you know, it's a stressful time. No, we have to encourage people. So first of all, we will be celebrating some events in October, November, and December, of course. The peace program will come out in September, and it will be kind of close to Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, which falls on October 2nd. So it will kind of overlap that situation. Then in October, we have an occasion called Navratri. Navratri is a big festive occasion for all Indians. It is dance and song and great costumes and food and just getting together and merriment for 9 consecutive days, okay? Over here, we can't get up for 9 days, but at least over the weekends, we can come together and celebrate. And we were doing it when we could actually meet. But this year, we'll still do it on Zoom with some, you know, nice songs, festive songs. Our festive songs, they're religious kind of songs. I mean, more like a, you know, occasion for the occasion addressed to a goddess, but they're also meant for dance. They are set up in such a way that they encourage dance. So we'll have Navratri. Then in November, we will have Diwali. Of course, you know, we have talked many times about the Festival of Lights and the whole jazz that goes with it. We'll still do it on Zoom. We are not going to let it go alone.
Good.
Then in December, we celebrate Christmas. We'll do Christmas and New Year's together. And we are working on it right now. We will have some programs. Either we'll bring a guest artist or something if we can. If not, we have enough talent in the club. We can put it together and do something nice. That's what we plan to do for the rest of the year.
Okay, so Krishna, tell me when the dates are of the Peace Day program that we're going to be airing here on Village Television.
Yeah, each of these is a 1-hour program. It's a repeat show 4 times in the month of September. On September 1st and 8th, it's at 2 p.m. And then again on September 13th and 20th, it's at 4 p.m.
Okay, great. Yeah. Well, ladies, thank you so much. It was very nice to catch up with you in the India Club. Good luck on your Peace Day program. It sounds great. And we look forward to seeing that here on our Village Television. So you guys have a great day.
Okay, thank you and namaste.
Thank you very much. And you too.
All right, namaste.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And we'll be right back after this.